Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I just came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I spent, what was it,
41.43.
And then he spent
$8.
Anyway, we went to a new Dollar Tree that I normally don't get to go to, and man, I look horrible. We went to a new Dollar Tree that I usually don't get to go to. So we got a lot of different things I'm going to share with you guys. These are all Dollar Tree items, $1 a piece. I seen this and I had to get this. It says a year of first, and it's for the baby. And we'll have it for the first year of the baby.
And it's in chalk, so it can be erased.
Yes, and it comes with a little piece of chalk back here. So I was super excited when I seen that, and I was like, that is good for the first year of our baby. A year of first. Oh, wait, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 months?
No, what you do, it's not really for a baby.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
You write down things you want to do for the first time in your life, and you cross them off.
Yeah, but I went for a year first.
Okay, well, first time the baby walks. First time the baby says dada, because
whatever. Okay, so we also got stuff for the gender reveal because we do not know. Bless you. We do not know what we're having yet, so we're having a gender reveal party. And I got these for $1. I got the pink and the blue. And that is for the gender reveal. We also got pink and blue balloons. Pink and blue balloons for the gender reveal. Put my receipt up so I don't lose it. And then, oh, I did get some pink. Where's the pink string? Did he not put it in here?
No, it's in there somewhere.
Do you have it? Oh, here it is. I got the pink and the blue string. So, I'll put all this back in the bag. We got a lot of stuff for the gender reveal. I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate for the gender reveal yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay, that's bag number 1. And trust me, we get more bags. Bag number 2, we got this right here. This is a laundry, what is this? A laundry bag Glenn picked up in black. I don't know how big it is. Hand wash only, great for storing and carrying laundry. I don't know how big it is. Oh, here it is. It's 20 inches by 12.5 inches times 12.5 inches. So it's decent size. And then we also got, I got these little containers because you already know that I'm getting stuff for our house, and this is for my beauty room. I got 4 of these. I got cocoa butter because, yeah, you need that when you're pregnant. That's a big bottle. Did you even see that? That's a huge bottle for $1. And it's got vitamin E in it. Now, I also got, I want to put this in this other bag because I don't want to go with that yet. I also got the, I don't want to go with that either yet. I got these for the gender reveal. It's little booties, pink and blue. See them up close. They're so cute. I can't wait to find out what we're having. And that's all for the second bag. Switch that. Okay, that's the second bag down. Now for the third bag, I got a lot more stuff. I got this right here. I thought it was cute for my beauty room. You've already seen the other ones. I got the smaller ones. I got the big ones. I got 4 of these for my beauty room. I'm going to put like, probably like eyeshadows or something in, lipsticks or something. I don't know. But this is definitely good for my beauty room. I also got these for my beauty room. I got 2 of these sized, smaller size. Hold on. I got 2 small sized little pencil holders, but I'm going to use them for like makeup brushes. And then I got 2 big ones. And you can see 2 different sizes. Got these for my beauty room as well. I seen this. I could not pass it up. It was super cute. And it says, imagine, dream, believe, always. And I thought it was really cute. Bag. Glenn got this for baby Ella. And I ended up paying for it instead of him. baby Ella. And then here is the fun bag. Let me put everything I want to talk to you guys. You know, when we go to Dollar Tree, I always go through the makeup aisle, and I'm always finding some like new makeup brushes and using, like, trying their new makeup out that they have. Well, I found a lot, and I say a lot, I need to stress, a lot of makeup brushes that I do not have, and they happen to have them. So the last bag we're going to go through, this is all the makeup I got. I am just going to put in my hand real quick all the brushes that I found, and you're going to be like, oh my goodness, you found all those brushes at Dollar Tree? Yes, I found all of these brushes at Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. So first off, I want to go with, hold on, let me organize them a little bit here, because they have different designs, and I got every design I could find that I didn't already have. Okay, so they had zebra print. I got every style of brush that they had in zebra print. I got the lash comb and brush, lash comb and brush, cheetah print, or not cheetah print, zebra print. And then I got the precision brush. I also got the eyeshadow brush. I also got the angled contour brush. And then I got the blush brush. All zebra print. Now moving on to the cheetah print. They had cheetah print ones and all those I just showed you, but I didn't really want to get repeats, but I did get the other brushes I didn't see they had. They had a concealer sponge. I got it. There's the concealer sponge, and it is in cheetah print. And then they also had the precision brush I got as well in cheetah print. And then they had the eyeshadow brush I got in cheetah print. I love to collect brushes, so this was a big find for me at Dollar Tree. And then I got the mermaid. You know, I collect the mermaid as well. I have all them from Dollar Tree. And this one is the powder brush. And then this one is the concealer brush. So I'm pretty sure I got the full collection of this now at home. And that again is all of my brushes I got at Dollar Tree. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Here we go. That's all my brushes I got. And then I found, to go with my brushes, a brush cleaner. There's my thumbnail. So yeah, I got this right here. This is the silicone brush cleaner, and you use it to clean your brushes. I'm super excited for this. I'm so excited to try it out on all these brushes. Pretty good deal. And this is all $1 Tree, by the way. I had 3 more products to go with you guys, and then that is it. I found some cocoa butter cleansing wipes I wanted to try. I've not tried those yet, and I got them to try out. I also got a gel lip liner I had never seen from Wet n Wild there, and I got it to try it out. Never tried it, never seen this before at Dollar Tree, and I was like, I've got to try it out. They had like peach and stuff. I did not want to try the peach. And then the shimmer eyeshadow primer they had, and it's hard candy, and Eyes the Limit. Makes shadow shimmer. Okay, here we go. And I got that at Dollar Tree. So that is everything I got at Dollar Tree, and those are all my finds today. This was all one location, so I feel like I found some really good deals, and I'll be going back to that location more frequently because I found a lot of stuff that I really love. So
sprayed the WD-40.
Scared me. I thought there was a snake in here. So guys, that is all for my Dollar Tree haul. I'll see you guys in my very next video, and stay tuned for my pregnancy videos updates. I am getting fluffier. Isn't that what you say? Fluffy?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll see you. Ooh. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.